Hello guys, let's make some homemade bread for breakfast. My flour is in my bowl, that is 600 grams. I'm adding dry yeast 10 grams, and I will also add 3 tablespoons of sugar and 1 teaspoon of salt. I will mix everything together. Then I will add in my liquid ingredients, my warm water 340 milliliters, and my vegetable oil 4 tablespoons. After that, I will combine everything together to get a perfect dough. So watch till the end to see how I baked this delicious bread. So after folding my dough, I covered it so that it will sit for 1 hour. So this is how it looks. The yeast inside the dough has got fermented and the dough has rised. So at this time it's for me to bring it out to my workspace. But make sure you spread some flour so as to enable you fold the dough so easily. So because without the flour it might be coming on your workspace. So now please keep watching so as to see how I baked this delicious and yummy bread. So this is how it looks like. At this point I need to cover it once more for 5 minutes before baking it in the oven. So this is 5 minutes later. I will beat 1 egg and brush it. After brushing it, I'll put it in the oven to bake for 20 minutes and it's done. you can see how it looks like after baking it. It's so fluffy, soft, and still delicious. Please guys, you can try this in your home. Don't forget to subscribe, click the bell notification to always notify you when I post a new video. Bye guys.